Okay, good day guys. Hope you guys doing alright and that everything is going great. I just came across a story that really got me excited because entrepreneurship and stories about entrepreneurship does excite me, especially when it involves the youth, young people, right? And that's a story involving our national goalkeeper and captain Andre Blake. Andre Blake and his wife Shauna K. Blake recently started a sports bar and lounge business together. And this, of course, is wonderful news, right? Very wonderful news. Because, as I said, I'm always happy to hear stories like this. Always very excited when I hear the youths, especially athletes, engaging in entrepreneurship and business investment. And then to add to all of that, it's family oriented as well. So, overall, it's just a good look, man. It's just a good look. And I personally just love to see the youth strive and achieve big things. And also, I am a business minded individual myself. So I encourage everyone to get into entrepreneurship and investing. And if you're watching this as well, you know I am currently engaging in the farmer, being an entrepreneur with my YouTube channel, The Formula Sports, which you are currently watching. And by the way, you guys have been supporting the channel, and I am indeed very grateful and appreciate this support. And I just want to say a big thank you to all who have subscribed. And for those who haven't, just kindly asking you to subscribe to the channel and like the video, as it really does help the channel immensely. But anyway, the name of Andre's sports bar is Blake's Kickout Sports Bar and Lounge, and it is located in Millennium Mall, Maypen. And of course, Maypen is where Andre would have grown up, right? He grew up, as a matter of fact, grew up a couple minutes from where the bar and lounge is located. So again, a good look. Andre is creating jobs in his community, and he did allude to this in his statement to the Gleaner, where he said, I'm business minded, and it's something I've always wanted to do. This is me coming back and doing something not just for myself, but something where I'm able to employ people. He continued, for me, this is very important because it's a dream come true and I'm very excited. Blake also stated that he wants to ensure that whenever people go to Blake's Kickout Sports Bar, that you get the best ever, the best customer service, the best food, because I know how much it means to go out and be able to enjoy dining and have a fantastic experience, he said. Andre also indicated that he and his wife have been working to get the venture off the ground from last year March, and that he wanted to bring a Kingston vibe to Clarendon, as he doesn't think there is anything else like this in the parish. Blake also indicated that he wanted to be the standard bearer for good customer service in the island, right? He spoke about his negative experiences with customer service in the past, and that he would like that to change, and that he basically wanted, or that he wanted the sports bar to be a standard bearer and a good example for good customer service. But it just can't be overemphasized, guys. It's just really a good look, and especially a husband and wife doing this together, man. It's just really a good look. This right here is really setting a good example for the youths of Clarendon, and I do wish Andre and his wife all the success in their new endeavor. This story also comes on the heels of another big name athlete, track star and world's second fastest man Johan Blake, opening his state-of-the-art wellness center on Old Hope Road, which will allow world-class treatment and services to be provided to his fellow athletes here in Jamaica. And these facilities will also be opened to the general public as well. Johan stated that the center has been in development since last year and that he believes the center can act as a catalyst in terms of the development of the local landscape where physiotherapy and sports injury rehabilitation are concerned, calling it a potential game changer, and that now athletes won't have to go overseas to receive certain treatments for various injuries. Johan is also hoping that the facility can bridge the gap in service and in cost, providing the same world-class treatment at an affordable cost for local clients and those across the region. So, good job on the part of Johan, and this is also a good look for him as well. I personally think these stories are also an indicator that the athletes are wising up and are realizing that unfortunately they are one injury away from losing their careers. Even though sports medicine has greatly improved over the years or over the last couple of years, the fact of the matter is even a Johan can attest to how injuries can severely affect an athlete's career. This is just the nature of the business that they are in, right? And that their careers are very short. And there are many other stories that indicate an increase in this entrepreneurial spirit amongst our Jamaican athletes. I was watching a recent interview with Marlon King, alluding to his real estate and construction company, and on his Instagram he was also posting about how big of an accomplishment it was for him to build his own mansion, or estate rather is more the appropriate term. Very nice property he has with his own construction company. Cricket star Andre Russell also recently opened a second location of his T20 restaurant. Shelly has her own hair products. Usain as well has also made a number of good business moves. Chris Gale as well, the same can be said of him. So, I really do like to see this, man. I really do like to see this. Because the fact of the matter is, although these guys are millionaire or are multi-millionaires and not starving for money, it's good to see them making plans for their retirement. Because we have seen a lot of cases with athletes who make a lot of money, then they go broke. And people have to be keeping benefit concerts for them because their spending habits continue, but their earnings become non existent. So, again, wishing all these guys continued success on and off the field of play and hope their respective ventures do or continue to do well. Okay, guys, take care, stay safe, and enjoy your weekend. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Until next time.